How to find reviewing settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find reviewing settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and here just click this one here, profile and tagging, and now go down until you find here this one, reviewing. And as you see here, you can manage reviewing settings on Facebook Lite, like this one, review post you're tagged in, and that's it. It's easy, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.